How to fix Instagram post music on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find here battery. Click on it. Now click power saving mode, make sure it's disabled. If you found it like that, just disable it. Then go back, go to apps, and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, go to storage, clear cache, and force stop it. And if you have an iPhone, go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And then if you can't find here update and that doesn't fix your problem, uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.